Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to add your Namecheap domain on Framer, then you are at the right place. I'm going to show you how to add Namecheap domain to Framer. So let's dive right in. First, you have to log into your Framer dashboard. As you can see, I have opened a demo theme on Framer. We can edit each and every part of this theme, as like you can see. Now at the top left corner you can find here the dashboard of Framer, but we need to click on this gear icon of the top right corner. This is the settings of Framer. Now go to domain at the right down of general. Now from here you can see I have a subdomain of Framer. Just because of this is a demo account, from here you can select a demo Framer subdomain, but you also can add a custom domain, but for this you need to purchase Framer's subscriptions. Here is their pricing plan. The $0 that's mean free is not allow you to add custom domains. For adding any custom domains you have to purchase these plans. Now when you purchase one of this plan, you will grant by the permission to add a custom domain to your website. Just you need to go to your domain DNS section in Namecheap and enter your domain name here at this platform. Then the type, DNS type, also the value, don't forget about value, also the second domain and the type and the value. Don't forget to add the value and correctly add the value. Then you have to add a subdomain and the type and the value. After completing these three parts of custom domain section, click on add button and the custom domains that are provided by Namecheap will successfully added on your Framer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and if you have any confusion left yet, then drop them in the comments below. We will be glad to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time.